Hey guys, this is Tramboy70. Today I'm doing an unboxing of Motorized 2025 Fine Scotsman. So here's the front, the top, the bottom, side, the other side, and the back. Here are my tools to unbox Motorized 2025 Fine Scotsman. 2 AAA batteries, a screwdriver, and scissors. I'm going to unbox Motorized 2025 Fine Scotsman off camera, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back! As you can see, I just unboxed Motorized 2025 Fine Scotsman. So here's a Fine Scotsman. Behind him, we have Fine Scotsman's 2 tenders. The first tender has coal, and the second tender carries water. I gave Fine Scotsman 2 AAA batteries, and I gave him a test one, and he works. So let's get Fine Scotsman to test one. Wow, that is a great test one with 2025 Motorized Fine Scotsman. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Send a comment, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.